Hi kids, today we're going to have a look at this Bluey My Busy Books. It's got a storybook, 10 figurines and a playmat. Ooh, I'm really excited to have a look at this. Look, I can shake it. Wow, can you see that? Ooh, I love Bluey. All things Bluey, they're my favourite. So subscribe to my channel, press that button below and follow me where you'll find even more Bluey books in my collection. I also have Peppa Pig books, Hey Duggee books, I've got Coco Melon books, Lift the Flat books, Touch and Feel books. I've got the biggest collection in the world, so do subscribe and do follow. Now shall we open this now? Let's have a look. So we first have a book we can read. So we'll be reading this. And what else do we have if you take the lid off? Ooh, we've got lots of characters. Who do we have? Ooh, we've got Dad. We've got Bluey. We've got Bingo. We've got Mum. We've got Coco. We've got Lucky. Rusty. Snickers. And I think we've got Calypso. And is that Muffin? Woo! So, what shall we do? And here we have, if we open it, wow, it's so big, it's going to fill the whole screen. Look at this. Oh, let me open it up. Wow, look at that. Different play areas where you can play with your toys. Ooh, that's fun, isn't it? Such a big... There's the garden, there's the playground, there's the playroom. Wow, it's amazing. We'll have a look at that later. Shall we take all the characters out of the box so we can play with them? We'll put them all here. I'll put them like this so you can see them. Ooh. Let's put them out. Wow, so impressed. How many have we got? Shall we count? Dad, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Whoa! I'm so excited. I can't wait to read this book. So what shall we do? We'll push them a little bit to the side so we can have a look at both. So let's meet Bluey and all her friends and family. So Bluey loves to play with her friends and family. She always has lots of ideas for games. Let's play Wedding Wife, Traffic Cone and Ballerina. Unless she's in the middle of a nana nap. Next, oh, that's Bluey. Bluey! So, leave Bluey there. Put her at the top. Next, it's Bingo. Bingo is Bluey's little sister. She sings on the toilet and is an excellent bug inspector. Are you a leaf? She likes to make friends with little things and very big things. Hey, fridge, beep twice if we can be friends. Beep, beep. And where's Bluey? Where's Bingo? There she is. Bingo! Let's put Bingo there. And next, it's Mum. Chili is Bluey and Bingo's mum. She's not afraid of a bit of hard work. I have to clean the lorikeet poo off the deck. And she knows how to get the family dancing. All right, get that body moving. Let's find Mummy. Mum! Let's put Mummy there. Next, it's Dad. Bandit is Bluey and Bingo's dad. He likes sports, barbecues and curry swapping. He's great at making games like Keep You Uppy more fun. There's leaves everywhere. But not every game goes the way he plans. Let's find Dad. Dad! That's the Bluey family. Who's next? Ooh, it's Muffin. So, Muffin is Bluey and Bingo's little cousin. She enjoys playing games with them. She is the grouchiest grouchy granny. Ride, Flamingo, ride! But watch out, if she misses her nap. Let's find Muffin. Oh, there she is. Hello, Muffin. Put Muffin here. Should we move these here a little bit? Make some room. Next, it's Lucky. Lucky, living next to Bluey and Bingo, is full of surprises. Lucky has to keep an eye out for wild animal attacks. There's a crocodile on my head. Oh! And be ready to keep the game going. I got it. And where is Lucky? There's Lucky. Wow, I do like Lucky. Isn't he beautiful? Put Lucky here. Next, we have Coco. Coco has known Bluey since she was a baby. Some days they play circus with their friends. I'll be the acrobat and I'm married to the lion tamer. And the other days she's the pink witch of the woods. There's Coco. Isn't she pretty in pink? Let's put her there. Next, we have Rusty. Bluey's friend Rusty is a knight, a sea captain and a husband. He takes on new recruits when playing army. We are surrounded. Request immediate dust off. He also really loves to play cricket. Come on, Rusty. Show yourself to all our friends. There's Rusty. Hello, Rusty. Put Rusty over there. Next, who is it going to be? Snickers. Snickers is an excellent reporter for Channel K9 News. This is the helicopter traffic report. He can't run very fast, but he's the best at hiding behind trees. Where are you, Snickers? There's Snickers. He's so slim. Little Snickers. Wow. Let's put Snickers here. Come on, Snickers. You relax over here. And last but not least, Mackenzie. Mackenzie is a border collie with heaps of energy. So I thought it was Calypso, but it's not. It's Mackenzie. So sorry, I do apologise. I don't know all my Bluey characters yet, but you can help me. He has fun racing barky boats and hardly ever gets tired. I'm digging a hole to the bottom of the sand pit. Let's have a look at Mackenzie. There's Mackenzie. Say hello. Hello. Let's put Mackenzie here. Bluey has so much fun with her friends. Hooray! Whether she's a ringmaster of a circus or building a fairy garden with her buddy Mia. Would you like both ears pink? But she has just as much fun painting Mum's ears and playing in the dirt with Bingo. Hooray! 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 The end. Hope you enjoyed it. That's an amazing book, isn't it? It's got a book. It's got all the Bluey characters, toys. You've got 10 of them as well. It's so amazing. I love this. And you get to play with all of Bluey and her friends and the toys. Look. Wow. I'm loving it. Hope you enjoyed that. Subscribe to my channel, press that button below and follow me. You'll find even more Bluey books in my collection. I also have Peppa Pig books, I've got Hey Duggy books, I've got Coco Melon books, I've got Lift the Flat books, Touch and Feel books. I've got the biggest collection in the world. So do subscribe and do follow. Bye-bye for now.